Welcome back, Red Clay. My name is Dworsky, and I'm the Libray Media Specialist at Richardson Park Elementary School. This is super exciting being here today because this is the best time of the year. We are about to embark on our new school year. So when I think about myself, right now I'm full of jitters, I'm excited, I'm wondering about my new students, I'm setting my room up. Oh, my stomach just gets full of jitters and anxiety, and I bet students feel that way too, and I bet even some mom and dads do. Because we love our children, and to say goodbye to them and have them come here all day and entrust them with us, your educators, can be really, really hard. So today, I picked a book out that's going to reflect some of these feelings that I'm talking about. It's called Butterflies on the First Day of School. And I plan to read this to all of my students. The author's name is Annie Silvestro, and the illustrator is Dreem Chen. It's about a little girl named Rosie. Rosie has her new backpack. She's got her brand new crayons, cannot wait for school, but then the day before comes. And Rosie says, "Oh, Mom, my tummy hurts." And the mom says, "Oh, Rosie, you just have butterflies in your stomach." And Rosie kind of thought about that and thought, how can butterflies live in my stomach? She kind of finds out. She takes a deep breath, and she has to be as brave as she can be. She goes to the bus stop and gets on the bus. And as soon as she starts talking, when someone asks her name, a little butterfly flutters out of her mouth. And then she gets to school, and every new experience, and every time she has to really muster up the strength to push through something, a butterfly will flutter out of her mouth. So during the story, it shows you her growth and how she blooms as a student, how she even helps other students adjust to the new school year and the new teachers. And by the end of the book, all of her butterflies escape, and she feels great. The sweet ending is when she gets home to tell her mom about her wonderful day at school. Guess what? When the mom says something to Rosie, a butterfly flutters out of mommy's mouth. Because mommies and daddies and grandmas and grandpas and aunties and uncles, they feel the same way letting their little ones go to a brand new place. So I recommend this book. I think you should read it. It is gorgeous. Here's some of the pictures. I don't know if you can see that. But I absolutely recommend this book, and I think that you will love it. And I hope those butterflies escape your belly in the first day of school.